Hello FileMaker developers, here's MrWatson of MrWatson.de or fmWorkMate.com. I'd like to show you today how to analyze layouts very quickly. Here we have a layout. It's not a very pretty one, but it's just an example layout of how you can maybe get one or two errors in your layouts when you're building them. Looking at this layout, we can maybe see some errors. Here we can see there's a field missing. Here we can see there's a table missing. Looking around a bit, yeah, we can also see here that these tabs are a little bit too long, the names don't quite fit in the space provided. So visually you can find some errors while looking at a layout, but nothing in comparison with what could be stuck in a layout, hidden in the background. I'll show one little example. Here we have a tooltip field, and when we look at the tooltip, we see that, oh dear, when we pasted it into the field, the custom function show tooltip wasn't available in this file, and so FileMaker commented it out, but we didn't notice because maybe we pasted lots in at once, and it's one of those things when there's an error somewhere in the background, you miss it. So how many errors are here? We can click around and find some of them, but we won't find all of them because some of them are really pretty hidden. So we're going to do it another way. Let's see how long it takes. It's 10, 18 and 10 seconds. I'm going to copy all of the objects in the layout. I'm going to change to the tool fmWorkMate. Choose fmCheckMate, convert the objects to XML, perform a transformation, and it's an analysis that I want to do. We can maybe use the tree, or well, if we change in the other view, no, let's just do a find. We'll find an analyze layout. I'm going to change the view. There, okay, here we've got various analyze layout options, and the first one here is analyze layout. I'm going to choose that, and there, lo and behold, the analysis has found 57 issues from an external file reference, a tab control with wide panel names, maybe local CSS if you don't want it. These are warnings. Up at the top of the file we have errors. So there's the word fix me up here, there's a broken field, there's a field repetition out of range, there's broken value lists. Oh, and it's 10:19. It's like in under a minute, in under 30 seconds, you can analyze a layout and get hundreds of errors that you find. And then you can not only get the information that there's an error, you also get a little screen of where it is. If you click on the screen here, you come to the screen page, and then you can press this little window here and you see where it is. Aha! So it's the text field down there that's causing the problem. In the space here, it tells you exactly where the problem is, and if an object is in a hierarchy, then you get a list of each of the objects that you have to click on. Here it's a little bit more clearly shown. So in the popover button at that location, in the popover area, there's a popover button which is not allowed in a popover. So you can popover button, what was that? 796335. 796335. Good. There we have a pop over here. If I open that. Okay, and there we've got a popover and a popover. Double clicking this popover shows that it's a popover button, but doesn't show the popover. In browse mode, clicking this button does nothing. In layout mode, if I pull this button out here, then double click it, then hey, you find the hidden popover. Come, we'll put it back for the next testing video. And once you've corrected a problem, you can come back here and just press the first button here, and that ticks the thing off and hides it. So you can then just work down, ticking off the errors as you do them. So in other words, fmCheckMate layout analysis turns your errors into a to-do list. Thank you very much.